Kanu tobetoko ya chakabene korwase county ya Kisii awase county commander w'abanyanyimba se county ya Kisii Charles Kasses abereka goterenia okorobekana oko kwariganiriye n'ababwatani korwase kyama kya ODM naboigo ekyombe kya Gusii Governance Watch oko kwarobeiriye gokorekana ritkoria ankyo asenchire moyo kwemurungania boigo bwatkana noko gosererigo kwabiro koine kiwaso mugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati nigo gokorengana na Kasses nigo ogotene nugo kukorobekana kwabago gocha magega yakiria tebiro na nigo chinseme chibere chirabe chikoreta okungusanana asekiria rurege kurege tine na otabonde bwensi urachigosoka kwe erio gokorokorobekana nigo erabe maminchaneri chiko nego nigarachi kwimukirwa egetambukire getindi.
I wish to make a brief statement concerning an application or notices that we received here in Nyanjwa Police Station and the Kisii Police Station concerning notification to all the demonstrations within Kisii town. The first notification that we received was on 15th this month, which was brought by an organization called Gusii Governance Watch. They were intending to hold a demonstration on 19th, from 19th for 3 weeks consecutively. But that is, the application was within the statutory 3 days that one can make an application to hold a meeting or any demonstration. They were granted by the two OCSs, both from Nyanjwa and Kisii Police Station. Another group is the ODM party, which brought their notification of intention to hold a peaceful demonstration, again from 19 for 2 weeks. So, according to Section 5, subsection 4 of Public Order Act, 2 meetings cannot take place at the same time or at the same place. So they were denied on that premise. So upon analyzing both applications and due to security concerns, we have decided to cancel the first application from the Gusii Governance Watch, so that we concentrate, so that the both protesters cannot harm each other, or so that they cannot antagonize each other. So both demonstrations from the ODM and the Gusii Governance Watch stands cancelled from now. And any kind of demonstration that will take place will be treated as illegal demonstration. So that's the message that I wanted to pass to you. Thank you.